This is a very interesting fan. It does spin counterclockwise, which is something you don't typically see these days anymore, except for on ceiling fans and certain fans that, for certain projects or whatever, sometimes the blade does spin counterclockwise to move the air forward. It also has a clock. No, I'm not going to set the clock to the right time, but I will show it working. It used to keep the time very well until the battery pretty much played out on it. So now every time you disconnect the fan, you plug it back in, you want to put it on the clock again, it'll just show it starting at 12 a.m. That's unfortunate. Anyways, it spins counterclockwise. The airflow is not very impressive, but it does move some air. So here we go. Let's run it. All right, we're starting off with a freak show. Why am I not surprised? There we go. It does make a lot of noise, but don't be deceived. That fan doesn't move that much air. The blade has some bitch to it. I think the primary purpose of this was just for the clock. Yeah, the airflow is kind of weak. All right, now let's show the clock. And you can set the time, and as long as you're using it, it'll keep up with the time. It also has the temperature. But as soon as you disconnect the fan and want to plug it back in again and use it, you lose the time because the battery that's supposed to keep the time is no good now. So there's that. And you just put it back on fan. It's supposed to move a lot of air, but unfortunately, it doesn't move much. And off. And yes, it does spin counterclockwise. Now, this piece right here is what makes the clock work in digital. It's like the hands for the clock when it's running in digital. That's why it's attached to the blade. All right, anyways, thanks for watching. I thought this video would be pretty interesting. I don't normally film this fan, and I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I'll do better next time. The Month of Fan Man, and God bless all of y'all, and out. Thanks for watching.